In this video, we review Azure Virtual Desktop custom template integration in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. The new preview feature of Azure Virtual Desktop custom image templates comes with a set of built-in scripts that provide common configuration options for an Azure Virtual Desktop template. We can leverage these same scripts in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Let's see an example. We'll start by going to Desktop Images in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Next, we'll go to Run Script on an image. We can search for specific names. For this example, searching for Microsoft will display scripts with Microsoft Custom Image Template in the name. We'll select Configure Session Timeouts for this example. We can configure parameters for the script. We'll set the limit for disconnected and idle sessions to 15 minutes for this example. And the others we'll set to never. We can use all the other options to run the script, such as schedule or restart. For this example, we'll run now. That is how to use Azure Virtual Desktop custom image template built-in scripts in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise.